Imagine a world where your technology just works, not just intelligently, but proactively. A world where your devices aren't just tools you command, but seamless extensions of your intent, often invisible. You won't be managing software, you'll be living and working within an intelligent environment that anticipates your needs and acts on your behalf. This isn't science fiction. It's the inevitable future of personal computing in the age of ubiquitous AI, and it's closer than you think. But for this to happen, you'll need to let go of a few things you take for granted today, like your desktop computer. Stick around and you'll discover why. Right now, we're still largely in a command and control computing era. We manage our technology, you open apps, you save files, you troubleshoot errors. You're hiring dozens of different tools just to get a single job done. Think about scheduling a meeting. You're finding a time, checking calendars, sending invites, following up. That's a job you're trying to get done, but it involves far too many manual steps and separate applications. This job of managing technology is a major unmet need for many of us, whether you're a beginner struggling with software installs or an executive drowning in administrative tasks. I've explored this in even more detail in the related blog post, which you're going to find down in the description below or in the first comment. The core idea here is what we call elevating the level of abstraction. Instead of telling a computer how to do something, we'll simply tell it what outcome we want. AI becomes the universal interface, the ultimate orchestrator. Your computer won't be a physical box. It'll be a seamless, intelligent environment that simply understands your intent. Today, you open a word processor to write. In the future, you'll say, draft a proposal for the Q3 marketing campaign, incorporating last quarter's performance data and a competitive analysis. The AI will then orchestrate everything required to get that job done. It'll access data, generate initial drafts, connect with team members, and present you with a nearly finished product, all without you having to open a single application. This is the single solution paradigm where complexity is handled by the AI, leaving you with a simplified, outcome-focused experience. It gets the job done better at a lower cost in terms of your cognitive load and time, and with fewer visible features for you to manage. So if AI handles the how, do we even need hardware? Yes, but it'll be profoundly different. Think ambient intelligence, devices that adapt to you and your environment. Your computer will be woven into the fabric of your home, your office, your car, even your clothing. Wearables become primary interfaces, subtly projecting information where you need it, when you need it. Screens could be anywhere or nowhere. Imagine walking into a room and the lighting, sound, and even information displays adapt instantly to your preferences and current tasks, all orchestrated by the omnipresent AI. You'll still have personal hardware, but it won't be for processing power. It'll be your secure envelope for biometric authentication, private data, and highly personalized AI models that are uniquely yours. They'll be the keys to your digital existence, ensuring your ubiquitous AI environment is truly your private space. The real magic happens in the software you won't even perceive. The era of opening apps will largely end. Instead, you'll be surrounded by proactive, predictive AI agents. Your AI won't wait for you to ask. If your calendar shows a meeting in 10 minutes, it might automatically dim your office lights, mute non-essential notifications, and pull up relevant briefing docs on a projected display. If you're planning a trip, it might silently research flights and accommodations based on your historical preferences, presenting options before you even voice the need. Your operating system won't be something you boot up. It'll be an intelligent fabric underlying everything. It's a single, cohesive intelligence focused on delivering desired results. This leads us to a truly novel concept. Meet your cognitive digital twin, or CDT. It's not just a chatbot, it's a dynamic AI-driven representation of you, your preferences, goals, and even your working style. It exists as an ambient layer across all your digital interactions, proactively getting jobs done by interacting with other AI systems and environments, often without direct command. It learns, adapts, and anticipates to optimize your outcomes. It's a truly novel way to get the job done, differently, better, and with far fewer visible features. This directly addresses the job of optimizing my personal and professional productivity and well-being with minimal conscious effort, moving you from managing tools to simply achieving outcomes. This vision of pervasive, proactive AI naturally raises critical questions about security, privacy, and control. How much agency do you delegate to your CDT before you lose too much direct control? These are challenges we'll collectively navigate through sophisticated permission systems and transparent AI decision-making. But the exciting part? This shift frees us from the mundane. You'll be able to focus on true creativity, complex problem-solving, and deeper human connection. This isn't about AI replacing humans, it's about AI augmenting us. Your cognitive digital twin will act as an extension of your capabilities, allowing you to achieve more, think more deeply, and live more fully. The job of being human will be amplified. The future of personal computing isn't about new gadgets, but about seamless outcomes. It's about AI elevating our capabilities, making technology disappear into the fabric of our lives. This transition is from command and control to outcome-driven living. Are you ready for a world where your computer just exists to serve your outcomes without even noticing it? If you found this vision intriguing, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into innovation, and share your thoughts in the comments. What job do you want AI to take over for you first? And for even more detail, including the specific innovation triggers I use to conceptualize the cognitive digital twin, check out my full blog post linked below.